More yucca. Now this one's been here for a while. Take note of the under foliage, the dead foliage. This is great stuff. This is still pretty wet. When it's dry, makes great kindling. Sometimes if you dig down far enough, like this, you can actually find some dry stuff underneath. Great kindling. Watch out for snakes though. Plenty of it. Another yucca plant. This one you can see has a much larger stem on it. Way up there. Great size for a fireboard for using on a firebow. Excellent. And you can imagine there's a lot of tinder inside that core, inside that stem. The foliage on the yucca plant, can be pulled out. You can see it's much paler colour down the bottom. Very hard to pull out in winter though. To my mind they always seem a lot easier to pull out in the warmer months. Here you can see a stem I pulled out. It's whiter, very white. And you can actually chew on these. Again, there seems to be very little on this one. Mind you, it is a young plant. But you can actually chew on them and get some nourishment out of them, I guess. They are edible. Again, more mountain gums. Now the reason I'm showing you them again is because here we have more than one, and underneath you've got a lot of the bark that come off. And on this forest floor there's also a good many leaves, which you don't often get in rocky areas like this. So if you were going to make yourself a debris shelter, this is the sort of place you'd be looking for. Plenty of debris around, and bark off the mountain gum and the manna gum and several other gums of the same ilk would be good to use for a debris shelter. Keep your eyes open for natural shelters. This one's not a bad one actually. I have seen better, but this one's not bad. Check it out inside before you crawl in there. This one's hollow right through, so you can see inside quite easily. I had a small fire outside here. Better than nothing at all.